Hello guys, Alex Grampion here. I hope you're well. Today we got 2024 Ford Tourneo, but it's the same on the Transit and Transit Connect. How to put the rear handbrake calipers obviously into service mode to replace the brake pads or discs, or calipers themselves. So you don't need diagnostic tool, although I'm using one just for the instructions here. So what you have to do to put it in maintenance mode is turn the ignition on and make sure that the handbrake is off. So turn the button off, the handbrake is off. What you're going to have to do is press and hold the accelerator pedal and the button down. Once you've done that, you have to turn the ignition off on the button, and within 5 seconds turn it back on and carry on pressing and holding the button down and the accelerator pedal down. And then you will have to turn the ignition off and release the accelerator pedal and the button there, and then you hear the calipers going, obviously retracting all the way. So I'm just gonna turn it off, put the phone down, turn the ignition off. Within 5 seconds I've turned it back on, and now I'm gonna turn it off again. I've released the accelerator pedal and handbrake, and I can hear the calipers winding back. So you wait till they stop, and the message will come up, the brake pad maintenance mode active. Now once you replaced everything, I've put everything back on, what you have to do is deactivate it after that. So to do that, you have to turn the ignition on, which is basically similar to what we've done now, but apart from obviously pushing the handbrake to go off, we have to pull it to go on. So what you have to do is press and hold the accelerator pedal with the ignition on, then apply the handbrake in upper position and carry on holding the accelerator pedal and the pulling obviously the electronic parking switch. Then you have to firmly press the brake pedal for 1 second while doing it all, then release it, and then continue holding obviously that up and the accelerator pedal. Then you have to turn ignition off and on within 5 seconds, and then release the accelerator pedal and the electronic parking brake switch. And once you've done that, you'll hear that the handbrake is gonna do the whole procedure, going on and readjusting itself, and then you'll have the message disappearing from here. So you're not going to have any more the emergency brake maintenance mode. That will disappear and it will be working perfectly fine after that. So hopefully you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Like my video and have a good day. Bye.